Choosing the right battery technology can make all the difference in the viability and efficiency of renewable energy projects. How do you decide between lithium-ion, flow batteries, or emerging solid-state batteries? In this video, we will explore the characteristics of each technology, their advantages, disadvantages, and optimal applications. We will also discuss how these batteries can transform the energy sector and prepare us for the future. Lithium-ion batteries are currently the most widely used due to their high energy density and cost competitiveness. Within this category, there are two main types. LFP, lithium iron phosphate. They offer longer life and safety, being ideal for applications that prioritize durability. NMC, nickel manganese cobalt. They have a higher energy density, making them perfect for projects where compact size is key, such as electric vehicles. However, the challenge is to balance safety, cost, and energy density according to the specific needs of the project. Flow batteries are ideal for long-life, high-capacity projects, but not all are equal. Vanadium redox, highly efficient and with superior service life, although they present a high initial cost. Zinc iron, a more economical alternative, but still under development to achieve similar levels of efficiency. Both technologies allow full discharge without compromising their useful life, making them ideal for stabilizing power grids in regions with high penetration of renewables. Solid-state batteries represent a promising evolution in energy storage. Advantages: higher energy density, improved safety and chemical stability. Challenges: high cost, limited production, and technical barriers that still hinder large-scale adoption. As these batteries develop, they could transform sectors such as premium residential storage and electric vehicles. The choice of battery technology should be based on the specific needs of the project. For short to medium-term storage, lithium-ion batteries are the best choice. For long-duration projects, flow batteries are ideal because of their extended service life. Solid-state batteries, while emerging, offer great potential for applications where energy density and safety are key. Applications of these technologies include lithium-ion, used in residential storage, commercial, and rapid response systems. Flow, perfect for large-scale solar plants and projects in rural areas. Solid-state, focused on premium residential storage and electric vehicles. By 2030, a significant increase in the adoption of flow and solid-state batteries is expected, driven by technological advances and cost reductions. Every battery technology has its place in the energy transition. If you are interested in implementing the right solution for your projects or need customized consulting, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can build a more sustainable energy future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.